planted fruits, fruity trees, oranges, lemons, peach. The peach actually was here already. So we pretty much tore down everything except for this peach tree. And yeah. And during winter season, my husband loves to experiment and plant more stuff. So these are corns, cilantro, lettuce. There's actually a strawberry in there, and we have harvested 2 strawberries, and that's it. It stopped bearing fruits. So there's a serrano. It's not doing so great, and there's the tomato. The tomato is doing great actually. I don't know if you can see it. Anyways, that's not the focus. So yeah, this is our house front yard. A 3-car garage house. So that's our door. We actually bought a security door. There's not a lot of crimes here in Aconwood, but we just want to make sure, just for added security and safety and our minds, for peace of mind. So anyways, so that's our front door, the front area. And here's our first living room. Again, it's a canvas. It's a lot of stuff everywhere. Second living room, our kitchen. So as you can see, and in the hallway, and in office, and then back there are the 3 bedrooms. So when we got this house, we have old tiles. Like I believe this is built in 2005. So the tiles are really old and ugly looking. And there's also this area right here. Both living rooms are both carpeted, and it was so nasty carpet already. So we have to tore it down. And we decided after research and stuff, we opted to buy or install luxury vinyl planks. So I'm gonna show you. So this is supposed to be an office, but this is like a storage right now. We are trying to get rid of a lot of stuff. So this is the flooring that we got. It's Nucore. It's Nucore waterproof flooring. Quick and easy installation. Again, it's a click lock system. So supposed to be 100% waterproof. We'll find out. So as you can see, it's antimicrobial, scratch and stain resistant wear layer. So yeah, so multi-plank, multi-layered, multicolored. So as you can see, we don't really follow a specific pattern. Anyway, so our first project is our kitchen, which is, I would say, 90% done. So we have this the island, the fall, I'm not sure. Anyways, it's a really big island, and cabinets around it. And also cabinets all the way down, wall to wall. So as I mentioned earlier, we are doing DIYs. So we purchased these cabinets online, ready to assemble cabinets. So it came in on boxes, literally just parts, just panels. So we click lock, we assemble them together. Of course, there's a guide of the assembly. It's like IKEA cabinets, but it's really good quality. So this is wood. Yeah. So multiple cabinets. So I actually assembled them myself. My husband only helped me assemble one of these cabinets. And the installation is the most tiring part of this project, because you have to have them aligned really good or it's gonna mess up your installation. So we had help, of course, installing the countertop. So we had my husband's friend. It's his business. So yeah, he helped us. It's pretty. It's granite, and we also have this farm sink. It's Kraus, and the faucet as well. Kraus or Cross. I love it. And so far it's doing really amazing. So I love the sink, the farm sink. It's bigger and small. It says scratch resistant and stain resistant, but with all the waters, it's just the hard water. So you can see all this. You haven't cleaned it yet. But yeah, the faucet is really awesome. Sprayer. And you can remove it. You can spray it anywhere you want. And it's also, oh yeah, it's just 180. But that's still awesome. You can use this anyway if you needed to use it in there, but you'll never use that one. Anyway, so this is our kitchen again. And yes, our backyard, we did decide to install or to build a pool. So this was just done last November. It's just a very simple pool, but I love it. I will make another video of this about the process of the swimming pool installation or build. So it's a play pool. And our above ground spa. So our backyard again is not yet done. We still have a lot of projects. And we're not millionaires, so yep, we're just taking it slow. So it's actually a good sized backyard. We are actually trying to take all these rocks right here and transfer it on the front, and we're still not decided on what to do with this side yard. I'm thinking we can build some planters right here, because this is the east-west side. Actually, sun always nice in here. So we used to not have any neighbors, and now we have this 2-story house, but it's still awesome. It helps us to give us the shade. So this is our spa. Again, this is another area. Just gonna give you a view of this side of the pool. And my husband was the one who does this fence. And we bought this fence secondhand, not new. Probably spent $200 more or less on this fence. Yeah. So that's our backyard. Going back inside. And our beautiful kitchen. And again, so this is our hallway going to our bedrooms. So yeah, a lot of clatters here, guys. So bare floors. So our house is literally a canvas. We never bought any decorations or anything. So we'll do that after we are done with the flooring and most of the major projects, because I have no clue about decoration. Yes, me and my husband don't have that talent or skills about decorating the house. Well, we'll see. We'll find out. I'll keep you updated about our project.